Hey y'all, it's Nicole and I'm in Whitestone Estates in Parker today, and I'm at your house, and oh my gosh, there's been a lot of work that has been done. So remember how I said they were going to do the German schmear paint job on the outside? That's done. You've got shutters, you've got doors, I can see light fixtures. I cannot wait to get in there and take a look. So let's flip this camera around and go see what we can find. Okay, oh my gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Do you remember before when it was just red and nothing was done? This is so gorgeous. They've got your driveway poured, which we saw last time, but oh my goodness, this is really coming together. This is absolutely stunning. Okay, let's go inside. Front doors are so pretty. So they've got the trim is done. It looks like a really dark brown. It's very, very pretty. All right. And going in, ooh, look at that light fixture. I love that dining room light fixture. And look at this one. Oh, so pretty. Okay. So coming in, there's the dining room. They've got trim up, they've got the crown molding up, getting ready for it, I guess. Maybe they're, hopefully that's not done. I know that's not done. Okay, let's keep going in. Oh, wow. Okay, because the last time we were in here, I do not remember these countertops being in. So these are black. That tile back there is really cool. And then, yeah, in here, we saw this last time, but oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Okay, check this out. Look at that light fixture. And then they have a matching one there. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty. Oh, wow. And then, you know, fireplace was done last time. Love that. We have a laundry room over here. Mud bench. Countertops are in there. Lots of storage, lots of cabinetry in here. Even got room for like a refrigerator, and another closet's in there too. I am just obsessing with these black doors. I want to do this in my house. I love it. And then you have a coat closet here. And then this is the 3-car garage. Attic space. I'm not going up there. We all know what an attic looks like. Okay. Coming back in. Let's go check out the master. My goodness, the paint looks so good on the brick. Wow. Light fixture, well, not really a light fixture. There's a nice, very cool fan. Love that. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. Holy cow. This might be my favorite bathtub I've ever seen aside from a freestanding tub. That's amazing. And then the shower was done. And remember the countertops and his and her sinks. And then the water closet. And then the actual closet. Okay, that's not opening anymore. But I love when they put the bar up there for seasonal clothing. Very nice. Storage, you got shelving there. And then they have shelving on this side as well. And more rods to hang clothes. There's just so much space in here. That is awesome. Oh, that tub, that is so nice. Wow. Look at your view. That is, for now, that's farmland. Enjoy it while it lasts. Yep, I believe they're saying that there's gonna be another phase up that way, but all right, back out into the rest of the house. And we have the eat-in kitchen area. Look at that cool fixture. Wow. That's funky. I like it. Oh, this patio is ginormous. They extended it for you. That is a fantastic outdoor space. Plenty of room for a pool. You guys are gonna love it here. We have another bedroom, 2 bedrooms on this side. So, ooh, look at that. That's cool. I dig it. Ooh, they got the shower glass up. I saw a peek. Okay, so you have a single vanity, and then that's a closet. It's a really nice closet, actually. Very nice sized closet. And then you flip around here, shut this door so you can see the shower. Very nice. Looking good. And then we'll step across and see there's another bathroom. So this bathroom obviously is not going to get glass. That'll just be a shower rod. But you have a vanity and then your shower. Very nice. Coming back out, there is a little closet behind this door too for storage, a linen closet. So, and then here's another bedroom. Very cool fan, matches the other one in the room across the way. Walk-in closets. Very nice sized. And somebody left the light on, so I'm gonna turn that off. Okay. And then for the final bedroom and office. So just this kitchen is so nice. I love it when you do different countertops. You guys, I was actually helping a couple of my clients at Design Center. And do you see how there's white cabinets and the island is different, and then they've matched the vent hood to the island? That is absolutely breathtaking. That is so pretty. And then of course they did a different countertop on the island to contrast with the black, but it's got black and gray veins all throughout it. And then they did black on the white cabinets, and it's just a solid black. There's, I mean, nothing, no veins or anything running through that, but it is so, so, so pretty. Just gives it that custom feel. There's a farm sink. It's just gorgeous. I love it. So another quick thing. Do you see how the brick is laid? This is, or the tile, I mean, it's laid straight instead of a staggered pattern where they would just kind of offset each to look like a brick outside on the exterior. This is a straight. So this is what it looks like to just do them linearly right next to each other. It's really pretty. It's really, really pretty. Just a nice different design. You don't see it all the time. Got a pantry, giant pantry. And then, you know, your butler's pantry right here, counter, cabinets. And then there's the dining room. Easy access there. We have, oh look, they took the bathtub out, darn. But this is the office. Very, very nice. Got the light on in here too. And then here's a closet. And then the last bedroom, we also have 2 closets here. So these are just storage, linen. And then this one has your low voltage electrical panel in it. So like security system and surround sound wiring, that would all be in there. Your internet stuff. And then this is the last of the bedrooms. Awesome. Really tall ceiling up here. And ensuite bath. I really love the black tile. I've seen this done with the dark gray grout too. It looks really, really good. So you have a single vanity. They've got there's a closet in here too. So What is with them leaving all the lights on? All right, so I turn this off. My mom instinct's kicking in. Who's paying this bill? All right, then you have a, this is actually, you step down into the shower. That's really nice. And then it's not a shower pan. They've actually tiled in there all the way right there. And then they have the glass in. Looks so good, guys. Okay. One more peek around the corner. So pretty. And I'm gonna flip the camera around. Okay guys, so that concludes the tour this week. We are literally at the very, very end. We are so close to being completed. The last things I'm seeing that they need to do, obviously, are stain the floors, but this house is just, it's absolutely gorgeous. And then of course they have to put grass outside, but that's one of the very, very last things that are done. So we are at a stage 9, I believe is what Shaddock would call this. So we are so close. I cannot wait for you guys to be able to move in here and really enjoy this gorgeous home in this gorgeous neighborhood. If you guys are tuning in for the first time, I am Nicole and I work for Living Well Properties. This is Whitestone Estates that we're in. All the homes here are on 1 acre and they are opening up phase 3. They will be selling this summer. I would love to help you and your family get into your next home. If you want to give me a call, email, or text, I would love to help you. Until next time, guys, take care and God bless. Bye.